Sukwini la izolo senze ivideo la mayelana nestatement ebesikhishwe uFikile Mbalula uSecretary General we-ANC emveni kokuba uDr Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma ekhulume kwi-podcast African Renaissance noDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi lapha athe khona i-conference yango-2017 lapha luza khona my-computer kanye no-President Cyril Ramaphosa yingoba there was imali eyayi-involve. Asigcinanga-ke ngokuthatha leyo nto le yayishiwo uDr Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma kodwa ngifake ngisho ivideo kaRopesoff.
When Cyril got elected CR17, he lost the election, but at the very last minute, with funding organised by Stephen Kossef from a lot of good South Africans, allowed Cyril to bribe David Mabuza to cross the floor and win. Okay?
Into engiyithanda ngoRopesoff iyodwa akasho ukuthi kunomuntu othize wabribe, uyasho ukuthi ngubani owakhipha imali wabribe abani. Akakhulumi inzwabethi, uyamazi nalowo muntu loyo. Wayeyingxenye abantu ababehlela lokho ngoba babengamfuni uNTZ ngaleso sikhathi, babefuna ukuthi kuphathe uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa.
Le video ka-NTZ akabalanga uFikile Mbalula kuphela, ngisho uMinister uLamula umbalile naye. uLamula ke ekhuluma ne-SABC ukhulume kanje.
As I have said in the statement, it will be very painful for me to take Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma to court to retract this statement because as you have read, she's a distinguished struggle stalwart of the ANC and of the Republic of South Africa that I highly regard and respect. So a retraction for me will be enough. In fact, she may not even need to apologize. The retraction alone will suffice, and we can move on with our lives. But as some of your viewers may know or have heard the recording, the voice is not mine at all. It does not even need a voice expert. So it's not me in that recording.
And before I move on to the next issues that we need to decide, but to discuss rather, how concerning are the allegations that she makes? I know you don't speak for the party, but you're a fellow NEC member. How disturbing are these allegations of vote buying, which is something that has been, bubbling under in the public domain for quite some time now?
Yeah, it is always a concern. It's an issue that the party has to attend to, particularly if and when there is evidence.
Into nje engajabulisa uMinister uLamula iyodwa ukuthi uNTZ ahoxisa amagama akhe. Phela akadingi into eyiningi. Udinga nje lo ngoba akafuni ukumusa ecourt. Kodwa nje ufuna ukuthi ahoxisa amagama akhe bese impilo iyaqhubeka. Ngiyayithanda into eshiwo ngiyayithanda into eshiwo uLamula la ngoba ufuna ukuthula yena, ufuna ukudlula kulena. Kodwa le ndaba yokuthengwa kwamavoti ayikho yintsha ngoba
well, what's the going rate for a vote? How much does a vote go for? It fetches for how much typically?
It depends. It depends. They are not the same. If you have to bribe somebody in the urban areas of the, Johannesburg, Gauteng, Durban City, Durban area, you might need to fork out more or promise them tenders of a railway line or pipeline that their company will get this tender and so on and so on. And for those who come from the village, you see the party to give them 20,000 others or 50,000. And when you come from a rural village, somewhere in the, I don't want to mention the provinces, but many of these rural areas, provinces, if you come from there and they give you 50,000, they say you vote for so and so. When you go back to your village, you are really wealthy because you can buy maybe 10 goats and even have change.
Veteran ANC yayikhuluma neNewsroom Africa mhlambe kule minyaka edlule ithi ukuthengwa kwamavoti nakhona bayathengwa abantu kodwa ivalue yomuntu idetermine ukuthi uhlalaphi. For umuntu ohlala emakhaya mayithola u20,000 or 50,000 suke enikwa imali eningi. For umuntu ohlala edrobheni kuhlukile, omunye baze bathenjiswa amathenda ukuthi uma mina ngena kule position kukhona amathenda sezotholwa yini bese bevotwa. Usakhuluma yona indaba yokuthengwa kwamavoti. Kusakhulunywa wona indaba yokuthengwa kwamavoti ku-ANC. ayathengwa amavote. Angazi mina yini ekhathaza uMinister Lamula, angazi yini ekhathaza uMinister Mbalula, ngoba phela bayayazi lento into eyenzekayo. Futhi kukhuluma ama-veteran we-ANC.
Fortunately, we've moved to the stage where I think after the events of 2017, where there was this wholesale buying of votes in the ANC, when this culture just became endemic, and now it affects all structures of the movement. It's something that the leadership of the ANC Youth League has got to intervene to stop, because it affects not just the current political environment, it affects the very fate of the National Democratic Revolution. It will certainly be aborted if we do not put an end to this malice.
Even no Dr. Gigabyte ushinto efanayo. Lento iqale ngo-2017 lapho kwakuthengwa khona abantu abathize kuthengwa amavote. Khumbula uTheni Robesoff uthi uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa wayeluzile kwaphoqeleka ukuthi akuthengwe uDidi Mabuza. Uyasho ukuthi ubani wakhipha imali ukuze kuthengwe uDidi Mabuza. Ngizwa abantu izolo bethi kuma comments, hayi phela uDidi Mabuza makuthengwe yena shuthi kuthengwe umuntu oyedwa. Uma uthenga umuntu oyileader usuke ubawinile bonke nalabo abamlandelayo. Uyabona nje isiZulu sikhona la kuthiwa khona ugawula imithi emkhulu emncane vele izwele nje ayihluphi. Uma ugawula omkhulu emncane vele izwele nje. Manje sengicaphunele iveteran ye-ANC, ngacaphunela uRobesoff, ngacaphunela uGigabyte, boyi-3 bakhuluma into eyodwa yokuthi ama-votes ayathengwa makunama-conference. Ayathengwa ama-votes. Ama-vote ayathengwa. Ngenzela nawe wena obungiphikisa. Ngikulandela abantu be-ANC manje. Ngikulandela abantu be-ANC abazokutshela kwenzakalani ku-ANC. uRobesoff ukhuluma ukuthi ngo-2017 wayeluzile uPresident Ramaphosa kodwa kwathengwa uDidi Mabuza. uGigabyte usitshelile ukuthi ngo-2017 yaqala lapho le culture ukuthenga amavote. Iveteran ANC sisitshelile ukuthi ukuthenga amavote ivalue yabantu determine ukuthi bahlala kuphi. Abanye bathenjiswa ama-tender, abanye banikwa 50,000 uzizwele. Kungcono ngoba ngikufakela ivideo.
Here. Okay, now before we talk about private money, where private companies come and they buy a conference of the ANC.
Yeah.
You see, because private people became very clever. If the ANC splits or Terra can go, it dries up. This one goes, it dries up. PAC came out, it dries up. A number of people have broken off the ANC, dries up. So what is the best way? Buy. Buy the ANC. It was a shocker. Nasrec was a shocker. Where money was used to buy a conference.
And those people who provided the money for that conference.
Wanda ama-bank records we-CR17 campaign are-sealed. Jokyo Sexwale manje nayo ushinto efanayo. Ama-vote athengwe Nasrec. Kunabantu abathize abathengwa kwasebenza imali. Ngenzela nawe obuphikisa mina ngoba usebenzisa uthando nama-emotions wangafuna ukurizina. Ngenzela wena ngikulethela ama-veterans. uJokyo Sexwale ukhuluma ukuthi athengwa amavote ngo-2017. That is the reason why CR17 bank statements nanamhlanje are sealed. Akekho nelungelo lokuwabona.
You came out hammering the use of money, which you say is a threat to quality leadership. And I'm talking about the use of money in a context of buying votes, candidates using it within the organization to climb up the leadership ladder. What's then to be done with money versus leadership?
Can I tell you, if there's one battle that we almost lost, is the battle and fight against money. You know, in the past we had this thing that money is used and so forth. This time around, you find people at branch level, at regional level, phoning you have this number of delegates, please give me so much money.
How much are we talking here?
Yeah, it depends. One person phoned me and said, I've won 40 delegates, give me 100,000 rand. And I tell him that if I had 100,000 rand, I would go to an auction and buy sheep or cattle, I wouldn't give it to you.
Not a buffalo. You wouldn't buy a buffalo.
I won't buy a buffalo. I don't have high fence for wild animals.
Yeah. So, but definitely the issue of money, you've seen it. I mean, even
It's
also
a serious matter.
how are you going to deal with it? Because also Cyril Ramaphosa's campaign has been accused of running a multi-million campaign.
I'm not sure. I think he scaled down this year. Last time he was in trouble about that. But today it was more complex because it was widespread. For example, there was a man who was campaigning for a Treasurer General. He worked in the office of the President. We raised our concern. This person is in your office. He's going around buying votes. Please deal with that issue. Fortunately or unfortunately, he's not elected Treasurer General of the ANC. But if you go around displaying money, it's the worst way of dealing with things. Then you spoil these delegates. When they talk to you, don't give them money. They think that you are sick.
Sevelo Uncle Gwede wenza izinto zabalula ngoba usesitshele ngempela ukuthi yinto eyenzekayo. Esitshelile Uncle Gwede. Yena futhi wathola i-call personally wathola i-call. Bamtshela ukuthi hayi indoda afaka imali. Naba abantu bawu40. Personally ngoba yinto eyenzekayo. So yinto wrong eshow NTZ. Ngifuna ukwazi mina yini into wrong eshow NTZ. So umbuzo efuna sizibuze wona why ama bank records we CR17 campaign are sealed. Abantu bengenalungelo lokuthi bawa access are sealed. Mhlambe izwe lezi zathu ngoba kuzovela amahlazo. Nalabantu abakhipha imali phela khumbula la emhlabeni there's no free lunch. Nalaba abakhipha imali abayikhiphi imali basuke bazi ukuthi bafunani. Basuke bazi ukuthi bafunani. Ya, angicaphunele enye video futhi. Yabona kulokho ngifuna ukukulethela ubufakazi. Ngenzela ukuthi next time ungiphikise kahle, ukhiphe nabo bakho ubufakazi. Ungaveli ungiphikise nje ngoba kumnandi kungiphikisa ngoba uLwisana ungibona njengomuntu olwa neANC. Cha.
Le ANC ekhona manje akuyona lengiyaziyo. Ngikala Ramaphosa le. uRamaphosa engazange ngimbone emzabalazweni. Nabaningi asebenza kanye nabo angizange ngibabone emzabalazweni. Angikwazi ukutshenwa yibo. Bengangitshena iqiniso bengayilaleli into esishoyo. Into yokuqala engayisho kwi-commission ngoba kuyona imfihlo. Ngathi okokuqala inenkinga ukuthi sino president ongeyena upresident. Kwavela inkulumo ethi upresident wethu akakhethwanga kulokho kokuqala. Akakhethwanga abantu ababesasibathumile ukuthi bayokhetha abaholi. Wayithenga ngemali enkulu.
Ngithathe leli thuba ngixolise kunoma ubani othanda iANC. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Akusiyimi othuma ama-members we-ANC ukuthi awakhulume nje obade ekhuluma. Nama-veterans we-ANC ukuthi akhulume nje obade ekhuluma. Agcine veze ney'mfihlo zokuthi amavoti ayathengwa kwa-ANC. Hayi, akusimina. Akusimina nje. Mina ngikulethela umbiko njengoba unjalo. So ngenzela ukuthi nje makwenzeka uphatheka kabi. Wazi ukuthi cha akusimina. Akimo wathuma ubaba uTokyo Skhwale. Akusimo thume uUncle Gwede, akusimo thume uGigabyte. Kodwa bonke bakhuluma ngento eyenzeka ngo2017. Njoba kuthiwa ukuthengwa kwamavoti. Lokho sengathi kusha ama statement phela esiphume kumbalula sithe. Istatement esiphume kumbalula sithe iconference le yahamba kahle. Komuntu nje wathenga amavoti komunye umuntu. Sizulu sithi ayinuki ngosiwanga.
For the president of the ANC, they spent well over $1 billion on a party election. And you figure out, so what did they pay for? They paid for buses and T-shirts and Kentucky Fried Chicken. Well, maybe that's 20 million. Where's the other 1.5 billion?
It's a lot of Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah, they bought regions and they bought.
It was all bribery. It was a whole set of bribery networks.
And they bought, whatever.
We know
and
that.
they pay. So what does that say about a party? So that's who they are.
Why did you support Cyril Ramaphosa so strongly then and say, I know he's got the background, he's got the muscle?
I still think he's our best hope, given the current circumstances, to get out of the mess we're in.
And do you think he will now?
The jury is out. The jury is out. I have been supporting him quite strongly. I've known him since 1983. When I was at the Financial Mail, he was with NUM. He was organizing Kusatu.
And you went to Anglo-American and you both had a talk there.
And we went to Anglo-American. We both had a talk there. Thank you for reading my book so well.
He reversed some shock. Nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyacela ukuzophala kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena kulolu daba nje silixoxayo oluthinta iANC, uGigabyte, uFikile Mbalula, Minister Lamula, uNTZ, kuthini ukuphawula kwakho? Ilokho nje ngifisa ukuzwa kuwe. Ungasupporta ngokuba imember le channel. Ungasupporta ngokusidonatela noma ngamalini. Mawufuna ukujoin membership kuno join. Ngicabanga la phansi. Angithi kufike kube notification bell bese kuba no join. Uklika nje ujoin bese ke kutshela imininingwane lapho ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uma ufuna ukuba imember ngiyabonga.